I don't know if I can show this, but I'm probably making the best speed yet today. The wake is well behind the boat. Ama's doing perfectly. Got it trimmed out fairly well. I'm really surprised. Really wish I can get some speed checks here, but I can't do it, sorry. Fort Pickens is somewhere up ahead. Maybe I'll try to get some video of that. Another sailboat. Navy base over there. They don't like you to get all that close to that place. Pensacola Naval Base? Yeah. Sailboat looks like he's doing pretty good there. It's nice running in smooth water. I got to remember this for the Texas 200 to stay close to the windward shores, where I get the wind but I don't get the waves, because the boat really moves out when it's not plowing.